Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name's Kristen, and today I'm doing this double cut crease blue look. If you like what you see, make sure you like and make sure you subscribe to my channel so you can see more looks like this. I'm going to be going in with my Urban Decay eyeshadow primer in the color Eden. I'm just going to apply that all over my lid and then smooth it out with a concealer brush. After that, I'm taking this eyeshadow called Blurr from Milk Cosmetics, and I'm just going to go ahead and apply that over the primer. It makes it easier for blending later on. Then I'm going into the Masquerade palette, and I'm using the shadow Burkina, and I'm just going to put that into my crease as the transition color. Next, I'm going in with a super pretty blue color called Chia, and I'm taking a pointed brush, and I'm just going to map out my cut crease. So here I'm just taking that Burkina color again and going over the blue so it doesn't look so harsh. Using this shade Dalia, I'm just going to go back over that with a different pointed brush so that I can have the gradient effect. Here I'm just going back in with this color Chia because I felt like the Dalia was taking over, and I'm just going to go ahead and darken it up a little bit. Then I'm going back into the Dalia because I feel like it took too much away. I don't know, I just went back and forth until I achieved the right amount of both shades. To give it a nice clean cut, I went in with this NARS concealer. I think it's in the color Biscuit. It's dark number 1. I like to go in with a lighter concealer because it makes the eyeshadows pop better. So I just went ahead and carved out my cut crease with a small detailer brush. Here I'm just going back over that concealer with the color Blurr just to make my blending a lot easier. Going in with my Sigma Wicked Gel eyeliner, I'm just going to go in and map out where I want my second cut crease to be. So after I map that out, I'm going in with this Dark Matter color from Milk Cosmetics, and I'm just going to go ahead and fill it in. Taking that Chia blue color that I used earlier in the top cut crease, I'm going to put that in the middle after the black part. I'm just going to go ahead and pat that all over my lid. Then we're going to take that same lighter blue that we used earlier called Dalia, and I'm going to pat that all over my lid after Chi. You want to take it and overlap it just a little bit, so when you're blending it later, it makes it a lot easier to blend. Next, we're taking this shade, I'm assuming it's called Giza, or Giza, one of those. I hope I'm not butchering it, but probably. And we're going to take that and put it into the corner of our eye. And then here I'm just taking a brush with nothing on it. It's a blending brush, and I'm just going to blend all of these colors together. So let's leave the eye alone for a second and go with this Badescu spray and spray my face so I can prep it for everything else. I'm going to prime it with my HangoveRx primer by Too Faced. And then I'm going to go in with this e.l.f. color correcting stick in orange and just color correct a little bit around my eyes and around my mouth. And I'm going to go ahead and blend that in. Lately I've been reaching for this Born This Way foundation by Too Faced, so I'm just going to apply that with a flat foundation brush and then blend it out with a regular foundation brush. And then of course I have to go in my beauty blender. I don't know why, I just have to always use a sponge after I use a brush. It just doesn't feel complete until I do. Let's go in and conceal / highlight. I'm going to be using my Shape Tape concealer in the color Deep. And I'm just going to go under my eyes, on my forehead, and my chin. Then I'm going in with this Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. I think that color is, I don't know, but I'll link it below. And I'm going to carve out my cheekbones, put it on my forehead, down my nose. And then I'm going to go in with my concealer again and go down my nose. In between and underneath the contour. And I'm just going to blend that out with my beauty blender. Here I'm blending out all my contour. I blended out my highlight with my beauty blender, and my contour I used a brush. So I'm going to take Miss Sasha here, and with my beauty blender I'm just going to pounce it into my skin. I don't want to let it sit there. I just want to push it into my skin on all of the places that I did my highlighter. So my nose has been so greasy, so I am going to bake my nose so I can try to keep that oil at bay, and just so it'll stand out a little bit more. And then I'm going to bake the sides of it to make my contour stand out more. Then I'm going in with my contour pan and Scandal and just setting the contour that I did earlier. Next, I'm going to take some more powder so I can set it even more and just, dust that all over my face, get that powder off my nose, and make it look like it's one big happy family. So we're going back to the eyes, and here I'm just taking the two blue colors that I used and dragging them underneath the eye to finish the look. First I used the Chia, the dark one, and then I used Dalia, the light one, and went over top of that. I'm taking my Sigma gel eyeliner and just lining my eye with it this time. here I'm going in with this NYX eyeliner pencil in black and just lining my waterline, and then I'm going to line the top of my lid also. So I guess I just decided to stop showing you guys what I'm using, but these are the Huda Beauty lashes in Sasha. Then my camera died on me, but I did go in and apply Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara on my top and bottom lashes. This Colourpop Luster Dust. This one's in Dewdrop. Oh my god. I didn't even put anything on my face to wet it, and look, I was just feeling it. Look at that. It is so pretty. Then I'm going in with Colourpop X Ellarie in the color, I think this is Henneways. I bought it because I thought it was funny, but it's actually a really good color. It's pretty neutral, so you know, I like a neutral lip with a colorful eye. So that's pretty much it for this look today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please make sure you subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video.